flying beautifully toward us.
This could be a major find. We need to approach it cautiously and with great care so that...
Reach out.
Wait for me!
Hey, that must be it. The meteorite.
Ha! First, think again, Sonic. Eggman? That's right. And as the intrepid explorer who first discovered this regal rock, I hereby call dibs. What? You can't call dibs. Oh, so now you don't respect dibs. What's next? You gonna allow cutsies, flout the 5-second rule, step on a crack without any regard for your mother's spinal column? Not cool, Sonic. Of course I respect dibs, but you can only call dibs if you're touching the thing that you desire to dib. Oh, well, in that case...
Oh, no, you don't. Quick, grab it.
Dibs.
14 hours later.
What am I doing in Eggman's lair? Eggman!
Ow.
What the? What am I doing in Eggman's body?
Why do I feel so weird? Me too. Did we swap bodies? No, this is not happening.